it's been a while since I last posted a vlog, and here we are. We are going to Boracay again this October. So this is a 1-week trip, and I will be posting a series of vlogs for this Boracay trip, and I hope you enjoy this content, guys. So ayun nga, ang aga ng flight namin. It's around 7 a.m. and we booked with Cebu Pacific. And ayun, medyo maulan sa Manila when we departed. Pero thankfully, pagdating namin sa Boracay, medyo maganda naman yung weather kahit may pagka-cloudy and gloomy. Sobrang bilis lang ng flight from Manila, around 1 hour something lang. And pagdating dun sa island, nag-book na ako in advance ng airport transfer to the hotel, and I booked it through Klook. And guys, you can use my promo code for an extra 5% discount on your travel adventures or bookings with Klook. So once I arrived at the airport, inintay ko lang yung baggage ko, and then dumiretso na ako sa kiosk ng Island Star Express, which will pick me up from the airport and transfer me to my hotel. And sobrang lucky ko that day, guys, kasi ako lang mag-isa yung sinundo nila. So mag-isa lang ako dun sa shuttle papunta dun sa hotel ko for this trip. So ayun, pagdating ko dun sa ferry port, sila na yung nag-asikaso ng lahat ng pagpila and all. And nag-intay na lang ako ng sasakyan ko na boat papunta sa island. So after that very quick boat ride papunta dun sa island, nagpa-assist lang din ulit ako sa porter. And guys, don't forget to tip yung mga kuya porters na nag-offer ng service. Kasi yung iba medyo nakakalimutan ata nila na hindi free yung pagpapaporter dito sa Boracay. So again, mag-isa lang ako dun sa car na papunta dun sa hotel. And nakaka-surprise lang kasi usually pinupuno talaga nila. Pero nagkataon lang siguro na ako lang talaga mag-isa yung nag-book dun sa Island Star Express that morning. I think mas maraming nagbubook dun sa isa, yung Southwest. Pero dito na kasi ako nasanay sa Island Star. And there, we already arrived dun sa hotel namin, which is yung The Piccolo Hotel. It's in Station 2 and super lapit lang niya sa D-Mall. May pa-welcome drink sila na refreshing, and mabilis lang yung check-in. Pero hindi pa ready yung room kasi yung standard check-in is around 2 p.m. pa. So we had to wait for a bit. And ayun, nag-coffee and quick lunch lang si Ate Faye doon sa restaurant na in-house sa hotel. Sakto lang yung coffee nila. I have tasted better coffee in Boracay. So there. And I will give you guys a little room tour. Ayan, single queen bed yung room type namin. Medyo spacious naman siya. Ayan, merong desk and may TV. Medyo spacious din yung bathroom. May coffee and tea amenities. May free water. And ayan, may bath towels. So after checking, yung current rate niya sa Agoda is around 2.6 per night, but we got ours ng slightly higher price. Pero check lang kayo constantly, guys. And then ayun, bumaba kami to buy some water and take out food sa Mezerap. And ayun, kasi medyo pagod pa rin kami sa biyahe and super aga namin nagising. So wala pa kami energy mag-explore sa island. So ayun, we will rest muna after this. And gabi na kami lalabas afterwards. Ang sarap ng in-order namin, guys, na parang shawarma. Ito, ang daming cheese. Ayun. So, ayan, I recommend that. So, ayun, gumabi na nga. And then, ayun, maganda yung lobby ng hotel kasi Ayan yung mga lights nila. Ayan, maganda yung interiors. Kahit parang ang simple lang niya tingnan from the outside. Pero medyo spacious siya pagpasok nyo. Ayan, walang tao sa pool. And naglakad-lakad na kami papunta sa D-Mall. So, we're going to find a place to have dinner tonight. And aura-aura. Charot! And we decided ni Ate Faye na mag-Thai food kami for that night, for our dinner. So, dito kami pumunta sa Thai Basil. I think it's, medyo ka-level siya ng isa pang masarap na Thai restaurant sa Boracay, which is yung Congas. Pero mas preferred ko yung flavor dito. Parang mas mild. And masarap din talaga yung food. Nag-order si Ate Faye ng banana shake and ako yung Thai milk tea. And ayan, we had spring rolls, chicken pad thai, and pork satay. Ayun. Ang sarap ng pad thai, guys. As in, ang fresh ng ingredients. And ayun, sobrang na-enjoy namin to. Pero hindi namin siya naubos. So, tinake out namin yung natira. Pero eventually, naubos din namin yung tinake out namin. Kahit hindi na siya bagong luto. Kasi ang sarap talaga. After our super yummy dinner, pumunta kami sa Lemony Cafe. So, favorite ko yung mga cakes dito, guys. Masarap talaga. Walang tapon sa mga desserts nila. And I think justified naman yung price. Ito yung favorite ko dito, yung carrot cake. Yeah. Parang hindi kompleto ang Boracay trip ko kapag hindi ko kinakain yan. And runner-up din tong sneaker start nila, guys. Sobrang solid nito, I swear. Ayan, I'm showing you guys the menu ng Lemony Cafe. And i-pause or screenshot nyo na lang para may idea kayo sa prices and sa selection ng food nila. Kasi hindi lang naman desserts yung ino-offer nila dito. So ayun, since super busog pa kami ni Ate Faye, isang dessert lang yung in-order namin for sharing. And 1 pot of tea na pwede rin naman kayo mag-request ng 2 cups na para for sharing kasi 1 pot naman siya. And ayan, naka 283 something pesos lang kami. And ito yung itsura ng Boracay roadside. Paggabi around the D-Mall area, I'll show you guys. It's officially our first morning in Boracay for this trip, and we are going to have breakfast sa poolside ng Piccolo Hotel. Masarap yung coffee nila, guys. Ang strong niya. Kayang-kaya kayong ipaglaban. And yung breakfast is basic lang, yung parang mga silog menu and my continental or American breakfast. Today's fit. I got the top from Zara. Punta na kami sa beach ni Ate Faye. So, ayan guys, as you can see, medyo madilim ang sky and hindi nagpapakita masyado ang araw. Pero okay lang kasi ibig sabihin hindi tayo masyadong mangingitim. Charot. Ayan, hindi masyadong mainit and ang lakas ng hangin, ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Medyo ingat lang kayo kasi nakakapuwing din yung sand. Natatangay na sila sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. So after namin mag picture sa beach side, nag-coffee muna kami ni Ate Faye sa Starbucks. Ayan guys, medyo mahirap minsan makakuha ng spot dito sa window side sa second floor kasi doon maganda yung view. Ayan, bali nag-chill lang kami dyan ni Ate Faye. And syempre, nag-picture din. Maganda rin mag-photo dun sa pinakataas na level, guys. Akyat kayo. Lalo pagka hindi sobrang init. Okay guys, so brown out sa Starbucks. So after namin mag-coffee ay naglakad-lakad na kami papunta sa Station 3 where we will try to check in sa Astoria Current.
Is 12 noon, and then meron tayong complimentary breakfast po sir. Starting po siya tomorrow from 6:30 a.m. until 10 a.m. sir. You can avail po yan sir sa Parasol Restaurant po natin. Bali, dito po siya located sir, malapit po sa Front Beach. And sabihin nyo lang po sir yung room na.
So we booked this room through Agoda, and upon checking, ang current rate ni Astoria Current per night is around 3,800 plus pesos. Pero included na doon yung buffet breakfast for 2 persons. And let's do a little room tour, guys. This is the view from the room. Hello guys, so bumalik lang kami ni Ate Faye doon sa hot room namin sa Piccolo Hotel para mag-pack ng stuff kasi lilipat na kami sa Astoria Current. Na-figure out namin na mas maganda yung room doon, so doon na lang kami magsistay kahit supposedly bukas pa kami dapat mag-check out from here. Pero lilipat na kami doon tonight. Ayun. So ayan guys, all packed and good to go na kami. So Itong malaking luggage ko, iwan ko muna to dito sa isang hotel na pag-check-in din namin. Pero doon kami magstay sa Astoria Current. So guys, ang lakas ng ulan dahil yata to sa bagyong Jenny. Sabi ko naman kay Jenny, sa Blackpink na lang siya magstay, pero binagyo niya tayo. So ayan guys, baha in Boracay. So before kami naglipat ng gamit sa Astoria, ay nag-decide muna kami mag-dinner ni Ate Faye sa D-Mall. And we have chosen this restaurant called Spicebird. And favorite ko talaga dito guys kasi sulit yung laki ng serving ng food nila. And good quality rin yung food. So ayan, I'll show you guys the menu para may idea kayo sa mga food na siniserve nila dito. Ayan. Ang favorite ko dito na drink, guys, is yung lychee coconut signature shake nila. Grabe, super worth it and ang sarap. Sobrang refreshing. Try nyo yan pag nandito kayo sa Spicebird. So, ito na yung must-try shake nila, guys. I swear, super sarap nito. Try nyo to. Yung lychee coconut shake. So, ayan na yung order namin, guys. Merguez sausage sandwich and quarter chicken piri-piri. Yum! Let's eat! Let's eat, guys! And new cafe alert guys, may nakita kami na bago here in D-Mall. It's called Chocolateria and I'm not sure kung same to nung sa Tagaytay. Pero masarap yung chocolate drinks dun. So maybe you can try it out here guys kung nandito rin kayo sa area. So that night, naglakad-lakad lang kami to buy some takeout food kasi parang medyo sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin and parang uulan anytime. So nag-takeout na lang kami ni Ate Faye. Ayan. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo magtipid guys, here's my suggestion. You can buy from Andox na lagi namang masarap, I swear. And dito sa Pan de Boracay, medyo malaki yung selection nila ng breads and super affordable din yung price. So, nag-e-trike na kami ni Ate Faye from D-Mall papunta doon sa Station 3. And good morning, it's another day and it's time for our buffet breakfast in Astoria Current. So there guys, ayan, ang bongga ng breakfast ni Astoria Current. And I think I will end the vlog here dahil medyo mahaba na siya. But please stay tuned to my upcoming vlogs na Boracay content pa rin. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!